Welcome back. Today you will learn the exact English to pass a software developer interview. We will cover the 5 questions you will almost certainly hear and the real phrases to answer them with confidence.
Hi everyone, I'm Mia, and this is Alex. You already know how to code. Our job today is the English part. We'll go slow, we'll use simple B1 words, and by the end, you'll have full sentences you can reuse. Let's start.
Thanks for joining us. So, to begin, tell me a little about yourself.
Sure, thank you. I'm a backend developer with 4 years of experience. I've been working mainly with Python and Node.js, building APIs for e-commerce apps. Right now, I'm looking for a new challenge where I can grow and take on more responsibility.
Notice the structure present, then experience, then goal. The key phrase is I've been working with Python for 4 years. This is the present perfect continuous. We use it for something that started in the past and is still true today. It sounds much more professional than just I work with Python.
Two more phrases. I'm a backend developer. Start by naming your role clearly. Don't over-explain. And I'm looking for a new challenge. This is a polite, positive way to say why you are here. Tip. Keep this answer short, about 30 seconds. Do not tell your whole life story. Present, experience, goal. That's it.
Great. Can you walk me through a project you're proud of?
Of course, I worked on a payment system for a mobile app. I was responsible for the back end, and I took ownership of the API design. We were on a tight deadline, but I collaborated closely with the front-end team, and we shipped it on time. It now handles thousands of users every day.
The phrase walk me through means explain step by step. So don't give one sentence, give a small story. The candidate used I was responsible for the back end. This tells the interviewer exactly what you did, not what the team did. Very important. Say I, not only we.
Two strong phrases here. I took ownership of the API design. Take ownership means you were the person in charge and you cared about the result. Interviewers love this. And we were on a tight deadline. A tight deadline means very little time. Also notice we shipped it on time. To ship is developer English for to release or to deliver. Use these and you sound natural.
Tell me about a challenging bug or problem you solved.
Sure, our app was crashing randomly in production, which affected many users. My task was to find the root cause. I reproduced the issue locally, added logging, and traced it to a memory leak. I refactored the code and added tests. As a result, the crashes stopped completely and performance improved.
This is the STAR method. Situation, task, action, result. Listen again. The situation, our app was crashing. The task, my task was to find the root cause. The action, I traced it and refactored the code. The result, the crashes stopped. 4 clear parts. This structure makes any answer easy to follow.
Let's collect the vocabulary. Root cause means the real, deep reason for a problem. To reproduce the issue means to make the bug happen again so you can study it. I refactored the code means you cleaned it and improved it without changing what it does. And the golden phrase, as a result. Always end your STAR answer with the result. Keep the technical part short and spend most of your time on what you did and the result.
How do you handle feedback and code reviews, especially when you disagree?
I see code review as a way to learn, so I try not to take it personally. If I disagree, I listen first to understand their point. Then I explain my reasoning calmly. For example, I went with this approach because of performance. Usually we find the best solution together.
This question is about teamwork, not code. The best phrase here is I don't take it personally. This means you don't get upset or angry about feedback. It shows you are mature and easy to work with. Say it. Interviewers really want to hear it.
Two more useful tools. I listen first to understand their point. Their point means their opinion or reason. And the soft way to disagree, I went with this approach because instead of saying you are wrong, you explain your reason politely. Also, the phrase, we find the best solution together, shows you care about the team, not about winning. In code reviews, calm and collaborative English wins every time.
Last questions. Why do you want to work here, Saise, and do you have any questions for us?
I've been following your product for a while, and I really admire how you scale it. Your values match mine, especially clean code and strong teamwork, so I believe I can make a real impact here. Yes, I do have a question. What does success look like in this role in the first 6 months?
For why do you want to work here, never say, because I need a job. Be specific about the company. The candidate said, I've been following your product for a while, and your values match mine. That shows real interest. And I can make a real impact is a confident, positive phrase. Impact means a strong, useful effect.
And here is a secret weapon. Always have a question ready. When they ask, do you have questions for us? Never say no. Saying no looks like you don't care. A great question is, what does success look like in this role in the first 6 months? It sounds thoughtful and professional. Prepare 1 or 2 questions before every interview. It leaves a strong final impression.
So there you have it. 5 questions and the real English to answer them. Remember, I've been working with, I took ownership of, the root cause, I don't take it personally, and I can make a real impact. Practice saying them out loud until they feel natural.
You know the code. Now you have the words. Pick 1 question today and record yourself answering it in English. Small practice, big results. Good luck in your interview, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.